KACC Ganapati figures can also be drawn with capital C, double it, or with number 6. A small crown here. This is a profile view, sideways. Earrings and whatever design you want to give for the earrings or here up above, that can be attached as you please. Here this you may call it S, or this is like capital T, cursive capital T. How you write capital T of cursive? Like this, right? Like this it can be drawn. Head of an elephant, right? Like this. Then place his crown. That can be of any shape you like. Growing smaller and smaller. You can draw any design like a lotus or so. Then this, the head. Now you can take this like this. The trunk. The eyes like this. You can draw full eyes. Even eyebrows. Because you are the creator, you can create him as you wish. He will have no objection. This can end like this as I explained earlier, or with a V here in the end. This can be marked this way. Now he has one tusk here, Ekadantam, and another one can be drawn this way. Bigger one. What about the ears? You can draw ears like this. Here a fold can be given. Remember, both the ears should be of the same size. Here also, these are secondary. First comes the big body. Okay. Now, his hand, if you are placing his hand here, again capital U, as I explained before, 1 finger, 2, 3 is a middle finger. This will be a very long finger, pointer. Then you have the thumb, then this, right? Then you may double it. It is slightly bent. It is not straight like how you see the stop sign, of traffic. You can wear a vangi, armlet. This ornament can be given. And this Upavasram or Uttariyam, which goes inside his armpit and comes out like this. So that is left to you how you draw. Kala means necklace. And a dollar maybe. The girdle here, that will decide everything. This will be small in front. To your front will be broader. Going like this. Okay. You can elaborate this wherever you want to put the middle point. Suppose this is a middle point, that will decide the rest of the drawing. Folds of the dhoti. How does the leg come? It comes like this. Now you can put the nupuram here. Nupuram means anklet. One foot like this. Nupur can be drawn like this. This is the way it turns. Then you have his big toe. Toe ring also can be drawn. Right? Now, here again this uttariyam or upavastram, border, whichever lines overlap, you may rub. First you draw with pencil, or if it is overlapping, you must calculate and draw. What about the other hand? Other hand, you can place here some area. The thumb can be seen like this. Then this modakam or ladu, armlet. This ornament should be repeated here. And left and right should be same. That much care should be taken. Mouse, holding a modakam or ladu himself. He also is entitled for some sweets. You may draw a coconut, full one, or half coconuts which are broken. There may be some incense sticks. I don't think he is allergic to their fragrance. And dhruva fool or grass, dhruva, and hibiscus. You can also show it's fallen down, and one is here which is not fallen down. Ornaments are called abhushanani in Sanskrit. Let's learn some words in Sanskrit. The mukham, he is called sumukhaha. Anything su means in Sanskrit, it means holy. Sumukhaha. Okay. So his mukham or face is here. Netre, eyes, because two are there, no? Netre, dual form. Then karnau, that is ears. 2 ears are there. Then vakratundam, all of you know. Vakram means twisted. Tundam means trunk. Then what about the padam, padav and all, you know that. Now let us see vibhuti. This is vibhuti and gunkumam in the middle. The forehead is called lalatam. Lalatam, that is a forehead where he applies this vibhuti. This upavastram, or you can call it uttariyam. This kantaharam, or you can also call it mekhala, that is necklace. Then for Upanayanam you get this yajnopavitam, sacred thread, which comes from the left shoulder to the right side. Valayam is the bangle, dhoti or veshti. You must have seen Mahatma Gandhi wearing this dhoti. Ganapati wears colorful ones, not white. Anklets or nupuram, you can call it. Then he holds a modakam or a ladu in his left hand, and with the right hand he blesses us. This is Mushikaha, or you can call her Mushika, female. Nari Kelam, there is no ada in Sanskrit except in the Vedas. So Nari Kelam, okay, it's broken ones you have seen here. So here you can see that he has an alert expression, and here with the turban, when he is wearing a turban like our Maharashtrians wear, he is in a relaxed and peaceful mood. So you can decide the mood also and draw accordingly. Along with drawing, you have learnt from the sumukham. till Padapitham, that is this where he rests his lotus foot is Padapitham. So from head to foot we have learnt good many words in Sanskrit. Well, so that's all for now. Meet you again in the next video. Friends, one request, if you like this video, please give a like below this video in YouTube. Hit the bell button and subscribe to our channel KACC Creator for it's different, unique and genuine, and you know that. So, Shubha Dinam.